We all want sustainability. In 2012, at the Rio+20 summit, government leaders agreed to create a green, inclusive and open economy as the future we want. But are we making real progress? Or does our economic system block the necessary scale, pace and scope of progress, instead pushing us into isolation, nationalism and even more fear and greed? Do we see that the window of opportunity to reverse climate change is closing and that planetary and societal collapse is already well underway? Do we believe that our education equips us to confront these systemic challenges holistically, or does it entrench mechanistic, siloed thinking? Join the Erasmus Transformation Academy starting in January 2019 and learn how to confront collapse and start your own journey into a thriving future. Register today and stay tuned for more insights in further parts of this series.